Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I'll be sharing with you how to make Banku grilled fish with fresh pepper sauce and green chili sauce. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And for the ingredients, I have here cassava and corn dough, pinkish red fish, tomatoes, onions, scotch bonnet pepper and ginger. I also have my spices. I'll be listing them in the description box below. So to start with, I'll be marinating my fish with the seasoning powder, and I'll add a little bit of oil. So I'll be marinating the fish nicely, and then I'll cover and let it sit in the fridge for about 1 hour. So for the seasoning, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, homemade seasoning powder, some salt, and ginger powder. So I'll cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. So it's been in the fridge for 1 hour. Next, I'm going to transfer it on my oven tray, and I've already preheated the oven for about 250 degrees Celsius, and I'll be baking it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next, in my saucepan, I'm going to add in the cassava and corn dough, and to it I'll add some water, mix it very well to combine. And I'm using 4 cups of corn dough and 1 cup of cassava dough. So after mixing it, I added salt to it, but it didn't record. Next, I'll be cooking it on a medium heat for about 20 minutes, and I'll keep stirring it. So you have to keep stirring the dough until it becomes hard for the first few minutes, and after it becomes hard, you then add some water to it, let it cook for about 10 more minutes. So I've added some water to it, and I'm going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. So it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to stir it again for a few minutes, and then that will be done. So it's all done now, and I'm going to scoop it and let it sit aside. Next, I'm going to be grinding my fresh ginger, onions, tomatoes, I'll add a pinch of salt, and the ginger, and I've also added the scotch bonnet pepper. So next I'm going to be washing my tomatoes, and I'll slice and add it together with the grinded onion, ginger, and the scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll grind it together. So it's all done now, and everything is done at this point. The fish is done, the banku is also done. So next I'm going to be dishing it out. I have here my banku, and next I'll add my fish, some sliced onions, and I'll also add some chopped tomatoes. So this is a very simple lunch ideas, very fast, and it's also delicious. I have a recipe on my chili sauce. You can go back and watch it. It tastes very nicely, and it goes very well with the banku. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.